Hey everybody, it's Karen Bentley here with Warriors Way Training. Welcome to Friendship Farm and welcome to Burpees for Beginners. I have developed my own modification of a burpee. I call it a crawl-thru burpee because that's pretty much what we're going to be doing. We're going to be crawling through it, and it's for absolute beginners. A beginner is anybody who's never exercised or who hasn't exercised in a long time, or who might be overweight, or who might be a senior, or who just might be ready to get up off the damn couch and do something for self. If that's you, listen up because I'm going to walk you through it. First, I'm going to explain why burpees are so great. Then I'm going to be giving you a demo of a real burpee as best as I can do it. And then we're going to do 5 crawl-through burpees together. And that's our plan for today. So why do I love burpees? Oh, by the way, if you just want to get to doing the burpees, there's a timestamp in the description. You can just jump right to it. So why I love burpees, the number one take-home reason I love burpees is because it is a practice for developing mental toughness. Mental toughness is as important as physical toughness. And what is mental toughness? Mental toughness is the willingness to do the hard thing. If you travel around the world, I've been very privileged to do this. There are soldiers everywhere in every country, modern day warriors. And those modern day warriors, they're not just physically tough, they're mentally tough. And why are they mentally tough? Because they are willing to do the hard thing. And when you do a burpee, you are demonstrating to yourself that you're willing to do the hard thing. And that, my friend, is a big deal. It is a very big deal. It's especially a big deal if you're a beginner, if you're overweight, if you're a senior. You're not exempt from doing the hard thing. Do it. Do this for yourself. Do it today. Start right now. Don't angst over it. Just do it and see how it goes. And because we're breaking it down, because I'm making it a crawl-through burpee, you can do the hard thing. All right? So other reasons that I like burpees, the number 2 reason is because it is the most efficient form of exercise. And by that, I mean you get the biggest result for the shortest amount of time. If you keep doing burpees, you might be able to do, say, 25 burpees in 5 minutes. And you will have a full body workout in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Why do you get a full body workout? Because it is a series of 4 different exercises put into one move. They call it a complex movement exercise. It's complex because you're doing 4 different things. So the first thing you're doing is a squat. And the second thing you're doing is a plank. And the third thing you're doing is a push-up. And the fourth thing you're doing is a jump. So you put those things all together, those 4 moves all together, and you have a burpee. We're going to be doing them all in a modified way so that, yes, even you can do them. The other reason I like it is because it is a full body workout. So you're getting your arms and you're getting your shoulders and you're getting your chest and you're getting your abs and you're getting your thighs and you're getting your butt and you're getting your legs and you're getting your feet and your hands. Every part of your body is getting work, and that makes it very efficient. The other reason I like it is because it is going to increase your heart rate. Even us doing our crawl-through burpee, we're going to be increasing our heart rate, and that is going to improve your cardiovascular fitness. And what does that mean? You can walk up hills, you can walk upstairs, you can walk farther, you can walk easier. It's just going to make your life easier to have a little bit of cardiovascular fitness, and this will do it for you. It's also going to improve your strength. And what does strength mean? It's going to make you stronger, not just mentally tough, physically tough. And when you are physically tough, you can carry things. You can push the vacuum cleaner. I mean, how good is that? It's really an impact in your functional life. And what else do I like about it? Oh, it doesn't require any equipment. You can just do it as you are. So as you can see, I'm wearing street clothes. The only thing I have on is sneakers because I like the cushioning. And the only other thing I'm using is this thick pad. See how thick it is? It's at least 1 inch thick. And why do I like the thick pad? Well, for 2 reasons. We're here at Friendship Farm in my barn, and the floor is kind of yucky, and I don't want to get my face on the floor. So we're using the mat for sanitary reasons. And the other reason I like it is because I have arthritis in my right wrist, and I like the cushioning. So a yoga mat's not going to do it for me. I need that thick padding, that 1 inch padding. So, but that's all the equipment you need. It's really very easy to incorporate this into any home workout and to start your day with it. I mean, it's just not a big ask of yourself. You can squeeze this in anywhere. We're going to be doing 5 crawl-thru burpees. We will have them done in less than 3 minutes. So, you know, you can do this. Everybody has 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes. We all do. You can do this for yourself. So first I'm going to show you a regular burpee, and then we're going to start right away with the 5 crawl-thru burpees, and we're going to do them at a fast clip, meaning I'm going to use speed deliberately as a way to keep your cardiovascular fitness component active. And if it's too much for you, if you need to go slower, here's how to do it. Do the first burpee, take a break through the second one, catch your breath. Do the third burpee, take a break through the fourth one, catch your breath, and do the 5th burpee. So instead of doing 5, you'll do 3, but you're going to do them. You're going to do them. You can ask this of yourself. So get ready. You can stop the video now, and if you need to find a spot to do this, or if you're ready to just do it in your clothes. You don't need anything special. That's the great part about this. You don't need anything special. You just need your will and 3 minutes of your time. So I'm going to give you the demo first of the how to do it. I hope I got the camera going here. You can see my dog here. This is Angelina Jolie. She's my faithful companion. She's blind. So I usually start with a jump. You don't have to. So I jump and then down to a squat. My feet are about shoulder length apart, down to a squat, and then out into a plank. I'm in a plank, and then I lower myself down and I lift myself up into a push-up, and then I jump my feet in, and then I jump up. That's a regular burpee. We're not doing that. You're doing the crawl-thru burpee. Are you ready to get started? Because we're going to do it right now. So it's the same thing. You start about shoulder length apart with your feet. You squat down, put your hands on the ground. Put your right knee down, your left knee down, your right foot back, your left foot back. Lower yourself down. Arch yourself up, no push-up. Right knee, right foot, left foot, up, down. Right knee, right foot, down. Arch, right knee, right foot, left foot. Up, 2, down. Right, left, down. Arch, right, left, up, 3, right, left, down, arch, right, left, up, 4, last one, down, right, left, down, arch, right, left, up. Yay! You did it! 5 burpees. How good is that? Be proud of yourself. Not everybody can do it. Not everybody's willing to do it, but you just did. So yay you. Hey, if you'd like to do more warrior training, consider the Warrior's Way Masterclass Bootcamp. Go to my website, KarenBentley.com. We do training in spades, physical training. I teach you the Warrior's Way diet, which is a very carb smart way of eating. And why do you need carb smart? You need it for energy management. You know, you're about power. Warriors are about power. And we want to capture that power with the way that we eat. So we do Warrior's Way diet. We do other Warrior's Way lifestyle training. And there's nothing quite like it. Please consider it. And in the meantime, thank you for sharing your time with me. Come back. I can't wait to be with you again. You know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe, and bye for now.